Congratulations on welcoming your little one. The arrival of a new baby is a joyous occasion filled with love and excitement. As you embark on this beautiful journey of motherhood, it's natural to have questions and concerns, especially when it comes to breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, but it can come with its share of worries. It's a unique experience for every mother and baby, and sometimes it may not go as smoothly as you hoped. You might wonder if your baby is getting enough milk or if you're doing everything right. Many new mothers experience concerns about their milk supply. It's common to feel anxious about whether you're producing enough milk to meet your baby's needs. These worries can be overwhelming, but remember, you're not alone in this. Rest assured, these feelings are very common. Many mothers have walked this path before you and have found ways to successfully navigate these challenges. Seeking support from friends, family, and professionals can make a significant difference. Be encouraged that with the right information and support, you can overcome these challenges and nourish your baby successfully. Joining a breastfeeding support group or consulting with a lactation expert can provide you with valuable insights and reassurance. This essay will guide you through proven tips and techniques to help you boost your milk supply and gain confidence in your breastfeeding journey. From proper latch techniques to maintaining a healthy diet and staying hydrated, there are many ways to support your body's natural ability to produce milk. Remember, every drop counts and your body is capable of amazing things. Trust in your ability to provide for your baby and take it one day at a time. With patience, persistence, and the right support, you can make your breastfeeding journey a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Understanding how your milk supply works is the first step to increasing it. Breast milk production operates on a simple yet powerful principle of supply and demand. When your baby nurses, they remove milk from your breasts. This signals your body to produce more milk. The more frequently and effectively milk is removed, the more milk your body will make. This feedback loop means that your baby is an active participant in establishing and maintaining your supply. While it's normal to have concerns about your milk supply, it's important to differentiate between perceived low supply and genuine issues. Many new mothers worry about whether they are producing enough milk for their baby, but often, these concerns are based on misconceptions or lack of information. Understanding the true signs of low milk supply can help you address any real issues promptly and effectively. Signs of true low milk supply include infrequent wet and dirty diapers. Your baby should have several wet diapers and at least one bowel movement daily. If your baby is not producing enough wet diapers, it could be a sign that they are not getting enough milk. Keep track of the number of wet and dirty diapers to monitor your baby's intake. Lack of weight gain. Your baby's growth should be monitored regularly by a healthcare professional. Consistent weight gain is a key indicator of adequate milk supply. If your baby is not gaining weight as expected, it may be necessary to evaluate your breastfeeding routine and milk production. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help ensure your baby is growing at a healthy rate. And constant fussiness and dissatisfaction after feedings. Your baby may still seem hungry even after nursing. If your baby is frequently fussy and seems unsatisfied after feedings, it could be a sign that they are not getting enough milk. Pay attention to your baby's behavior and feeding patterns to determine if there might be an issue with your milk supply. If you notice these signs, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a lactation consultant or your healthcare provider. They can offer valuable support and advice to help you increase your milk supply and ensure your baby is getting the nutrition they need. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your breastfeeding journey, so reach out for help if you have any concerns. One of the most effective ways to boost your milk supply is to nurse your baby frequently. This not only helps in maintaining a good milk flow, but also strengthens the bond between you and your baby. Frequent nursing signals your body to produce more milk, ensuring that your baby gets the nutrition they need. Aim for 8 to 12 feedings in a 24-hour period, or about every 2 to 3 hours. This regularity helps establish a consistent milk supply and keeps your baby satisfied. Remember, each baby is different, and some may need to feed more often than others. Pay attention to your baby's unique needs and adjust accordingly. Newborns especially benefit from on-demand feeding, meaning you nurse them whenever they show hunger cues, such as rooting, sucking on their hands, or making licking motions. These cues are your baby's way of communicating their need for nourishment. Responding promptly to these signals can help prevent fussiness and ensure your baby is getting enough to eat. Effective milk removal is just as crucial as frequent feedings. When your baby effectively removes milk from your breasts, it encourages your body to produce more. This cycle of demand and supply is essential for maintaining a healthy milk supply. Make sure your baby is latching correctly and transferring milk efficiently. A good latch ensures that your baby is getting enough milk and helps prevent nipple pain and damage. If you're unsure about your baby's latch, don't hesitate to seek help. If you're having latch difficulties or suspect your baby isn't draining your breasts fully, consult a lactation consultant for assistance. They can provide valuable guidance and support, helping you and your baby have a successful breastfeeding experience. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and dedication to your baby's well-being. A proper latch ensures that your baby can effectively remove milk and stimulate your breasts for continued production. When your baby is latched correctly, their mouth should cover a large portion of your areola, with their lips flanged outward like a fish. You should feel a strong rhythmic sucking without any pain or discomfort. If you experience pain, gently break the latch by inserting your finger into the corner of your baby's mouth and try again. Just like any demanding physical activity, breastfeeding requires adequate nourishment and hydration. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Listen to your body's cues and eat when you're hungry. Don't restrict calories excessively, as this can negatively impact your milk supply. In addition to frequent feedings and proper nutrition, several lifestyle factors can positively influence your milk supply. Skin-to-skin contact. Holding your baby skin to skin releases hormones like oxytocin, which plays a crucial role in milk production. Rest. Whenever possible, rest when your baby sleeps. Fatigue can hinder milk production. Stress management. Chronic stress can interfere with milk flow. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or gentle yoga into your routine. Remember, taking care of yourself is essential for taking care of your baby. Certain herbs and supplements, known as galactagogues, are believed to have milk-boosting properties. Some commonly used galactagogues include fenugreek, blessed thistle, and goat's rue. However, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before taking any herbs or supplements, as they can interact with certain medications or have side effects. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the appropriate dosage and ensure that the galactagogues you're considering are safe for you and your baby. If you're concerned about your milk supply or experiencing difficulties with breastfeeding, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A lactation consultant is a trained healthcare professional specializing in breastfeeding support. They can assess your situation, provide personalized guidance, and help you overcome any challenges you may be facing. Your healthcare provider is another valuable resource for addressing milk supply concerns. They can rule out any underlying medical conditions and offer appropriate treatment options if necessary. Remember, you're not alone on this journey.